Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's January 23rd. We're out here in the garden preparing for cold weather. But I want to see all these little garlics that's just popping up from the nodules. Some was from last year's crop. Some were here in this area at the top of the garden. And we just got stray garlic coming up everywhere, which is great. We can always do something with it. But we're out here. We've got our onions and our garlic covered. These have been covered for about 3 days or so far. We've had some cold temperatures. Some of it's been down to 32, but with this cold front that's coming down, we're looking at after tonight it's going to get down to 26, and it's not going to be above freezing for about 3 days or so. And then the next day it's just barely above freezing. So I don't know how that's going to do. But we've been trying to get things prepared. Hopefully we won't have any issues with our heater in our citrus greenhouse. It seems to be losing the pilot light occasionally. I don't know what's causing that. In the big greenhouse here, we've got everything covered. We didn't bother covering the banana trees. I think they pretty much dead after that last freeze. I think the last freeze got down to 23 or something. I think it's pretty much toasted them. Now we got our little buddy heater here. We're going to run it starting tomorrow morning. It's supposed to get down to 26 tomorrow, but it's not going to get above freezing, like I say, for the next 3-4 days. So we've got everything covered. That's about as much protection as we're going to give it. Hopefully a lot of it will survive from the ground heat coming up. We watered yesterday, so the soil's moist. It might gain a little extra heat today, but being it's overcast and it's supposed to be raining and stuff, I don't know that it is. But everything isn't gloom and doom. Let's go look and see how our transplants are doing. Now where it's going to be nice and warm, we got our little transplants. We got real good germination on our Cherokee purples and most of our other tomatoes. There are a few that didn't germinate completely, but that doesn't matter because I don't need that many plants. Our peppers, a lot of them are not germinating real good. We've got looks like just one of our habanetas, the Dox de Espanol. It didn't germinate any, which I think I run into that before. I might plant some more seeds and just see. But most of the peppers have done pretty good because on a lot of them I don't need but just a couple. Now our lettuce is doing good. We've got a bunch of different varieties, so it germinates at different rates, but we've got plenty of lettuce there. And like I say, our other stuff, our celery, this is our little celery. We got a dozen of them. They're doing good. We've got a few dill, a few parsley there, and then some marjoram. So all our transplants that we've got going right now are doing good. Let me know if you're starting your seeds, if you're getting your plants ready for spring planting. And I know when I talk about cold, it's not like the cold where a lot of you are. Now we are, and they could drop it lower, but they are talking 8 degrees for one of those nights, which that's cold for us, even though we're in 8B. Understandably, sometimes we get cold weather. All we can do is try to protect, and we've lost crops with that, and that's the reason why the garlic and onions are covered. It's supposed to do some freezing rain, which will be great because that'll freeze on my row covers that's outside. It'd keep the wind from coming through. And then they're talking about some winter mix, maybe sleet and snow. So and I've heard someone say 8 inches of snow. So that's a lot for us. But I know when it snows, it does a good deal of insulating against the real low temperatures. So even though a lot of people don't want snow, I say, let it snow, let it snow. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope you're staying warm. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.